Thank you for joining me on this special video broadcast. My name is Oladipupo Clement. So if you're listening to this video right now, watching this video, and your desire is to retire young, retire rich, and retire healthy, then this particular video will be of great help to you. If your vision is financial freedom, you want to get to that point in your life where the proceeds from your assets and investments is not only capable of meeting your personal and family needs, but also able to extend goodness and kindness to other people, then this video is going to really help you. There are 3 phases you must, of a necessity, master if you must arrive at the place called the wealthy place, if you must achieve financial freedom. The first one is personal transformation, and this is the most difficult, this is the most important in my opinion, and this is the foundation for everything else you want to build. Just as you don't start building from the roof, you start building from the foundation, and the part that is most hidden in the building is the foundation. That's how important your personal transformation is. And you know the reason why this is so critical? It's because you are the most important critical success factor. If it must be, it is up to you. And everything is created twice. First within, then without. You don't get in life what you want. You get in life who you are. So your personal transformation is critical. Whatever level of success, whether it is financial success, business success, marital success, whatever area of life you really want to accomplish, any measure of success. And so this is so important. Personal transformation. And here we're talking about your mentality. We're talking about your thought patterns. We're talking about your behavioral patterns. Because a lot of us have habits, we have behaviors, we have thought patterns that are sabotaging us. Many of us have self-sabotaging thought patterns. Many of us have self-sabotaging habits. And we blame everybody else but ourselves. We look for everything that is wrong in the environment but not ourselves. And the first point of call is you. So this is critical. You want to achieve financial freedom, you want to create wealth, it begins from here. This is where it begins from. The reason this is so important is because you are not poor because you don't have money. You don't have money because you're actually poor. And I'm talking about poverty here. And that's a very critical thing, and I can spend the next 5 hours dwelling on this. It's one area I'm very, very passionate about. What you attract or repel is a reflection of who you are. And we can go on and on. So in my channel, one of the things I'm going to be dwelling on over the next couple of weeks and months and possibly years will be around your thought patterns, around your personal transformation. And I'm going to be sharing thoughts, sharing ideas, things that have shaped my life, things that have helped me in becoming who I have become. You see, the version of you that you are today can't possess the future. The version of you today can't possess the dreams in your heart. So you need to be a superior version of yourself to be able to attract some of the dreams, some of the desires in your heart. Unfortunately, lots of people don't start that way. That's the first thing. So once that is cleared out of the way, the second phase is income generation, planning and application. The first phase is foundation laying. The second phase is pillars. This is what I call the pillars of financial freedom. So you must improve your capacity to earn. What you learn determines what you earn. So you must intentionally, deliberately invest in your capacity to earn. And this is so important. And that has to do with you learning, because you really can't manage or multiply the money you have not yet made. This is a critical aspect in your journey to financial freedom. And the reason this is also important is because if you are not making money, even if you have reserve, after a while, your reserve will deplete. It's just a matter of time. If you have $1 million, you have $2 million, and you are not making additional income, or that money is not generating extra income, over time, that money will deplete in volume and ultimately evaporate into thin air. And you don't want that to happen. Now, for those who don't even make money at all, you are in a bigger problem. And now listen to this carefully. If you are not making money, there are 3 possibilities. Number 1, you start to beg for money. And then when you run out of people to beg from, you start to borrow money. And when you run out of people to borrow from, then you start to compromise. You start stealing. And none of these 3 options are honorable. In fact, the third one can land you in jail. And so this is why you must deliberately, intentionally invest in your ability to make money. So income generation is critical. It's very, very important. Then, of course, planning the allocation of that money is also another important skill that you must be intentional about. And of course, the application of what you have decided to do with the fund. So this is very important. The application, where do you apply the fund? And that's a different subject altogether. So this is the second phase. The third phase that you must go through is asset accumulation, optimization, and retention. So whatever money you have made and applied ultimately must be applied in the right asset class. And that asset must be properly optimized and retained so that it can continue to not only increase in value, but continue to generate for you passive income. And that's going to be the frame of thought throughout some of the videos that you'll be seeing on this channel. So you want me to be your coach, you can book a session by clicking the link in the description. You want to create wealth, you need an accountability partner. When it comes to coaching, we're not going to teach you anything new. We're just going to make sure that you do what you already know and then provide you extra counsel and give you the extra push. And so if you need an accountability partner, you need someone who has gone ahead. So I'll be very delighted to be your coach. So click the link in the description and I'll be very, very delighted. And then watch out for some of the videos that I'm going to be dropping in a couple of weeks. So click the subscribe button and then feel free to share this video with those you genuinely care about. I see you in the next video. Bye for now.